We're in a competition. We're leaving the period of the department's history where we've been focusing solely on violent extremists.
State competition has returned.
They're doing things.
China has had a strong presence in Africa for years.
Vladimir Putin testing a new intercontinental missile.
And it's warning about Iran.
Locked in a bitter standoff over the now scrapped nuclear deal.
And so if conflict in the future is going to be trans-regional, that's going to extend beyond the current combatant commander boundaries and maps.
How do we have the right policies and the right directives, leveraging the right acquisition authorities, and unleash this talent at the hard problems that our Air Force and our nation faces today?
Over the past 3 decades, our adversaries have studied how the United States and its allies
organize, train, and equip our forces.
It won't be tanks, planes, and ships that are the central differentiator in tomorrow's conflict. That conflict's going to be data-centric.
They've learned how we fight, and they've invested heavily in adaptive technologies
designed to exploit our vulnerabilities.
AI.
Yep.
Talk to me, is
scary?
Artificial intelligence has capability to significantly speed our OODA loops, tactical, operational, and strategic.
And so we have to adopt these commercial development tools.
Force us to change our approach to how we would then do acquisition.
Drive a consistent demand signal to our industry teammates. Does what you're offering connect across the network? Air, land, space, sea, and cyber operations occurring simultaneously to achieve objectives.
In the early days of the Cold War, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik. And
space contributions continued to expand.
We must move fast, and we must be bold in fielding space warfighting capabilities.
We must prepare to protect our interests.
We are the best in the world in space. With the establishment of U.S. Space Command, we're even better.
We're going to have to be able to keep building, keep upgrading, keep sustaining faster than any adversary we have.
An incredible choreography all coming together.
Get back to our roots as being a rapid builder and fielder of things.
As members of the DoD,
of the Department of the Air Force,
we must be ready for the great power competition.
As a fully networked force in a data-dense environment and a digital age.
With the National Defense Strategy
and efforts of our airmen.
And I'm seeing that creativity across the Air Force.
We will compete, deter,
and win.